This is Pestopack 8 heads piston oil bottling machine. It ensures high filling accuracy, with diving nozzles for clean and splash-free operation. Servo control guarantees smooth and precise movement. The anti-drip nozzles prevent leakage during filling. Bottles are separated during filling to improve output capacity. The entire structure is made of stainless steel. The oil bottling machine is durable and easy to clean. This is Pestopack single head tracking type capping machine. Multiple servo motors ensure precise tracking and accurate positioning. It gently tightens caps without damaging them. Equipped with a complete system for cap feeding, sorting, placing, and tightening. Designed for reliable and continuous operation. This is Pestopack 3-sided adhesive labeling machine. Servo-driven system ensures fast and accurate label application. Ideal for flat, square, and irregular bottle shapes. The oil bottling machine is widely used in industries like food, cosmetics, and chemicals. Contact us today for a customized oil bottling and packaging solution.